In this section, we're going to address the following question. How do you determine the purpose of an act of communication? Before we look at specifics, we're going to discuss a few broad notes about this process. First, determining purpose in an act of communication is interpretive. Since we tend not to have direct access to a writer's mind, we have to work only from the text and interpret what we believe the purpose to be. But this does not mean that all interpretations are equally valid. And this brings us to our second point. Determining purpose is analytic. In other words, we study the parts of the text and how they work to determine what a purpose is. Third, the process of determining purpose is recursive. As we make hypotheses about what strategies are doing or what a purpose is, we may realize that our initial interpretations are not quite right, or they are inconsistent with other hypotheses about the text that we have. When this happens, we may need to recalibrate, but this is a normal occurrence of any interpretive activity. As we work through this section, then, keep this in mind. Determining purpose is not always a straightforward process. Instead, it is interpretive, analytic, and recursive.